OpenAI is now worth over $500 billion. That makes it the most valuable private company in the world. But guess what? You were not allowed to invest, and neither was I. The retail investors like us are being left behind again. Let me explain why that's happening and how we can fight back. So let's go. Once upon a time, companies needed to go public. They would IPO to raise money, build brand, and offer liquidity. But those days are fading. Today's giants like OpenAI, Stripe, SpaceX, they raise billions privately. They don't need your money. By the time you see the stock ticker, you are already too late. Let's talk about Figma. They IPO'd last week and then the stock jumped 250% in a day. That wasn't a gift for retail investors. That was the exit liquidity for insiders. Now, if you want exposure to AI, you are left with buying Nvidia at a $3 trillion valuation or Palantir at 600 times earnings. That's not investing. That's gambling with hedge funds that already won. Meanwhile, insiders are quietly flipping shares in private markets, making fortunes before we even get a shot. But what if the rules changed? What if you didn't need permission to invest early? Ownership was transparent like blockchain, and access wasn't limited by your net worth. That's exactly what DeFi or Decentralized Finance is building. On Ethereum, Solana, and Avalanche, you can own pieces of innovation. You can stake, lend, borrow, and invest peer-to-peer. No Wall Street, no gatekeepers. Okay, I'm not saying DeFi is easy or risk-free, but what I'm saying is it's your first real shot at being early. Because every time you sit out, someone else gets richer behind closed doors. You don't have to play their game anymore. You can build your own portfolio on your terms. And if you are ready to start your journey, there is no better time. Sign up for Coinbase using my referral link below and you will get $10 in free Bitcoin to get started. That's real ownership, real assets in your hands. Link in the description below. If this message resonated with you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment. Let's grow together outside the broken system. This time we are not waiting for permission, we are building the future. Sorry for the interruption, guys. Just wanted to let you know that I also offer one-on-one consulting calls to the individuals who are looking to discuss their financial planning, their investment strategies, their kids' education planning, their immigration moves, as well as the young professionals, because I have been in the tech industry for almost 20 years. So I also offer one-on-one consulting calls to the young professionals who are looking to have their career development discussion with me, and also personal branding as well. So if you are looking to have some sort of an expert opinion, there is a calendar link in the description below. Book a 30 minutes call with me and I will be more than happy to help you out.